Hey guys, welcome back to the Cloth and Paper YouTube channel. Today we're going to be showing you our brand new 2020 yearly overview inserts that are going to be launching this week on the Cloth and Paper website. These are a year on 2-page overview layout, and each month is separated into 2 boxes, one smaller one at the top and a larger at the bottom. I'm going to show you guys how I'm using these to prep and plan for 2020. In the smaller box, I'm writing in any goals or monthly focuses, and in the larger box, I'm adding in any appointments, birthdays, vacations, or anything else I have planned throughout the year. As you can see, I'm just putting in the date and writing down whatever event I have going on that day. You could also use a bullet journal style or color coding system to differentiate between appointments, birthdays, vacations, deadlines, or anything else that you have going on. My gray mild liner highlighter and highlighting any dates or events that need any type of preparation. I'm highlighting any speaking engagements, weddings, vacations, or anything that might need financial or mental preparation. You're going to want to leave yourself some extra room so you can fill in dates as you get closer to these months. This is a great outline to have to start your prep and plan for the new year. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!